Well, hello everyone, Ryan here. Silly Reviews. I'm going to show you quickly how to cancel or downgrade your if this then that account, IFTTT.com. Log into your account. This is your main page right here. I've already done a lot of work on here. I have a unique issue that I'll explain later after I show you the meat and the potatoes here. So here's how you cancel. Click on your face and go over to billing, not your account. Oh yeah, go to your account. Okay, it'll show your account. You see, I'm a Pro Plus. That's my username. An account was the wrong one. Sorry about that. Here's how you cancel your if this, then that account. You go to billing. There it is. So I pay $5.99 a month for Pro Plus. And you can see here, 2 days ago, I just did renew my membership accidentally because I wanted to cancel, but we always forget these things. Link in the description for a service that will prevent you from making these types of mistakes with your automatic billing, your free trial, stuff like that. But when you're on this billing page, scroll all the way down. Of course, it's going to be some tiny text, but at least you can see it against the background. That's going to be the cancel my subscription button. You're going to click that, and it's going to tell you you're going to be moved to the free plan. You're going to be limited to 2 applets. You're going to lose all your access to the IFTTT Pro Plus benefits like AI and all that other stuff. So the big button is to stay. The little button is to cancel. We want to cancel. We'll hit that button. Of course, they're going to keep you going before you can cancel. Why? Other. But no text area to enter other, which I like. So again, little text down below. Continue with cancellation. Wait a minute. 20% off the next payment. Keep this in mind if you want to drop your bill down. Maybe in the first month on if this then that, you go ahead and you pretend like you're going to cancel. Hopefully it doesn't cancel you, even though I'm sure you could still renew, because any applets over 2 would just be archived or temporarily paused. We want to go ahead and cancel all the way, which is smaller than the claim button. So that's the 3rd time we hit it. Okay, there it is. And I would recommend taking a screenshot, saving this somewhere. Mine is canceled. It will end in almost a month. Return home. Now, if you want to stick with me, I'll tell you what happened here. I've been through trials, Pro accounts, Pro Plus accounts with my email address, ryan@sillyreviews.com. I've been using this for years. This is the first time I've had this long of a consecutive stretch using the Pro Plus, the maximum amount of features you can get and the highest price, of course. Problem is, I had one username for my email address on my mobile, on my iPhone, using the if this then that app. Then I had a different username on desktop. So anything I was doing on desktop was the Pro Plus account. Anything I was doing, same email, same login, anything I was doing on the mobile app, it was just a free account, 2 applets, and they were not synced at all. I sent them the lengthiest descriptive email telling them I needed these things to merge. This doesn't work. This doesn't suit my needs. It's not working. Never heard back from them. Checked all my spam folders. It's been over a month. Never heard back. Customer support from if this then that is whack, but it is a good service. I don't know of alternatives out there. If you know of something comparable that works as well, that has an app that's as easy to use, can use as many different services, the integration, leave a comment about that. But what I'm going to do is just use a whole new email, whole new account, start from scratch, and hopefully when I log in on my app, it'll be the same. It'll be synced with the desktop. That's what we're hoping for. I hope this video helped you cancel your if this then that account. If it did, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button, of course. Consider subscribing and leave a comment. That really, the interaction seems to help these videos the most. So I appreciate you watching.